Okay, ready, Julia?
Yep.
Yes! Woo! That actually worked!
Oh, what are we doing?
Alright, we're gonna do our fucking video of...
But you never told me to finish what I'm saying.
What's my motivation?
Yeah.
You're gonna talk about your helmet setup.
Alright, I'm a bird person. I eat 6 pounds of seed a day.
I'm 350 years old.
Alright, on you.
Okay, ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hit it!
You killed a teammate! No! Damn it! Get a medic over there! Medic! I'm coming! I'm coming! I got you! I got you! Ah! 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 I got you! Friendly fire! You blew off the entire right side of my body!
Okay, you just wanna say something? It's just a screen test. Maybe.
Hi, my name's Jordan Smith, and I'm here to endorse Super Meal. This fine package of noodles looks absolutely enticing on the label, and if you open up inside, you'll find all the dry packaged goodness that you see in this picture. I live on Super Meal. As a former college student, this is how I got through my day.
Back to America!
Okay. 1, 2. Oh, I'm gonna get so fucked up. 3, 4, 5. Okay, shit, holy hell.
Jewel creeps of myth, jet fuel can melt steel beams.
What?
Jewel creeps of myth and jet fuel can melt steel beams.